In the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar, guys. It's a lovely one to be in the kitchen with you and also make you guys a nice lovely juice today. Very healthy and really good for you to have at home, for even for breakfast in the morning. You can have this one. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I always give you the best recipe to make in your kitchen at home. Stay tuned. Again, guys, I love the welcome back in the kitchen again, guys. So basically I have some black grapes and some blueberry inside of this. I'm gonna chuck it straight inside of this like this. All right. I have a finger of ripe banana which I want to use. So I'm gonna put it straight inside of it. Also, I'm gonna squeeze half of a lime. And what I'm going to do is get a piece of ginger and remove the skin from the ginger. And cut it up very finely. Alright, so I got some superfood, chia seed, which is really good for us. Alright, so what I'm going to do is simple. Just put a teaspoon of it inside of it, just like this. Alright, it's a superfood, really good for you. You can get that in a local shop or your supermarket in your area. Just go and ask for chia seed superfood. Alright, now I'm just gonna simply put roughly about half cups of water. Get my blender ready up. Good to go. That is lovely and nice. Alright, put that one side. Honestly, you don't need to put no honey or no sugar or no sweetener or nothing inside of it. It's just really pretty good to go, just like that, guys. Honestly, and I know 100% you will love it. And that looking so good and beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is pour it out for you guys. You can smell that beautiful banana. That is lovely. Look at that. That is fantastic and amazing. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. My name is Chef Ricardo. I always give you the best recipe in this whole entire world. So don't forget, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. And as I said, there's more recipe to come. So stay tuned with Chef Ricardo and the team. And I will see you next time in the kitchen. Bye-bye.